Well, what's up, YouTube? It's me, your boy Amos. I'm back with another video. I got a buddy who's doing a little scenery out of miniature stuff, some kind of little construction scene or something. I haven't seen it yet, but he asked me if I could make some little miniature sawhorses to go on it. I said, sure, why not? And I haven't seen a whole lot on that, so we're gonna make some today. Start off, it's a pretty simple project. You're going to need, and you can start off with 5 pieces of the 8 foot 2x4 scaled, which would be 8 inches, 5 8-inch pieces. And of course, the 2x4 that we cut is eighth of an inch, and it actually comes out to a little bit more than 3/4 of an inch. It's 0.29 is our width, and I just use a little digital micrometer and do it that way to set up my wood stripper to cut them all. But if you don't have a wood stripper micrometer, just cut them to about 3/4 of an inch, and you'll be fine. Maybe just a hair over. Um, and that's going to be your 2x4. Now on the length, you need 4 pieces that are 2 3/4 of an inch wide, and you're going to need 10 pieces that are 2.5 inch wide. And I've already got them all already cut here. So let's go ahead and get this started. We're going to take one of our 2 3/4 of an inch pieces. We're just going to put a bead of the hot glue right down the middle of it here. Take one of our 2.5 inch. Just kind of mount it about in the center is fine. A little bit high. There we go. Let that dry for just a second. And we're going to take our 2 3/4 inch. We're going to do the same thing on it. Put a bead down the middle. And basically we're just going to flip it over and set it right there on top, just like that. And you want just a little bit hanging over on each side, and that's perfectly fine. Then we're going to take our 2.5 inch. We're going to lay our main support on its side. We're going to put a little hot glue here on the end. And we're just going to angle it right there. We're going to do one more. Put a little bit right here too this time. Again, you just want it butted up to your top gap there. And it's going to look about like that. A little bit of an angle to it. Turn it over. We're going to do 2 more for the other side. And try to get them even here. They might not be, but it's going to be close. None of this is an exact art. And there you have it, your little sawhorse. And we're going to do another one real quick, just because I went ahead and cut out enough for 2. And the 5 pieces will, the 5 8-inch pieces of your scale 2x4 will give you enough to do 2. If I don't just knock it over and get glue everywhere, that'd be really nice. But if everything was perfect, wouldn't be no fun in all that. Glue our other side here. Set it down right on top. Actually, let's see if I can do that way. And not flip it this time. And all I'm doing is just tapping these down to make sure they're the same length there and there, which they are. Grab one of our 2.5 for the legs, put it on there, angle it and butt it. And I'm missing a piece. There it is. I'll do the same thing over here. The other side. And I'm missing one, so let me go ahead and just cut another piece real quick. Actually, I'm not really missing it, it's just kind of disappeared. And there you have it. Little sawhorses for your construction site. Angle that one in just a little bit too much. Angle both of those in just a little bit too much. And there's your sawhorses. Nice, easy, simple. If you're doing the construction thing, then you got those set up there. You can stack them on top of each other and good to go. If y'all like this video, please like, subscribe. Something you want to see me build, comment in the comment section. Let me know. I'd be happy to come up with something, see what I can do on it. Till next time, y'all take care.